Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the manifold assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Lift the cooktop assembly up and support it. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread all of the nuts, securing the gas supply tubes to the burner valves. Free the spark switch harness wires from the right side retainers. Disconnect the spark switch harness connector. Make sure to prevent the connector from slipping behind the rear access panel. Now unthread the screws securing the manifold to the cooktop and remove the old assembly. Install the new manifold assembly by aligning the brackets on the cooktop, then thread the screws to secure. Connect the spark switch harness connector. Secure the wires behind the right side retainers. Insert the gas supply tubes into the burner valves and thread the nuts to secure. Be careful not to damage the tubes by over-tightening the nuts. Remove the support and lower the cooktop assembly. Thread and tighten the 2 front screws. Insert the gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Again, avoid over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.